हेलो मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, आज हम सीखेंगे कि पास्ट इंडेफिनिट को अपनी बातचीत में कैसे यूज़ करते हैं, वो भी सरल भाषा में। Mamma mia! Hey Jessica! Yesterday was a holiday. What did you do? Nothing special. I went to the market yesterday where I bought some vegetables. I bought 1 kilo of tomatoes, 2 kilo of potatoes, half a kilo of onions, and 1 kilo of garlic. Then I went to a restaurant where I had one dosa with sambar and spicy chutney, and finally I came back home. But how much did the vegetable cost? I bought 2 kilo of potatoes for 60 rupees, 1 kilo of tomatoes for 80 rupees, half a kilo of onions for 30 rupees, and 1 kilo of garlic for 130 rupees. So the total comes to 300 rupees. Mamma mia, but that is too expensive. Yes, I know.